Reddit threads are about to get super interesting as the company adds a new way to respond under the posts. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech updates. Reddit has added a new way for users to get involved in conversations as it's enabled videos and comments. Yes, now you can respond to a Reddit post with a video rather than typing out whatever you want to say. Along with video, Redditors could already drop images and GIFs into their comments. Adding video to the mix gives them a different way to get their point across, either by uploading a clip of them sharing their thoughts or one they grab from elsewhere on the internet. The feature is only available in public, save for work subreddits that have enabled it. But you can't upload just anything. The company says it'll run video comments through its safety systems before displaying them. Reddit added that the videos won't autoplay and they'll respect users' audio settings. To use video comments, click or tap on the video icon in the comment box. From there, you can either record or upload a video. It seems like it could be especially useful for Ask Me Anything discussions. It's often been the case that a celebrity participating in an AMA will record a single video of themselves reading several user questions along with their answers. Video comments could help the subject of an AMA respond more quickly and directly to those who posed a question and stay more involved in the conversation as it's happening. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.